Owners and operators of heavy-duty equipment are making the switch from conventional to synthetic lubricants. The main reason? Optimized maintenance leading to improved productivity. Compared to conventional base stocks, synthetics help improve wear protection at high and low temperatures. Heavy-duty engines can last longer and run more reliably, optimizing maintenance costs and protecting the investment. Through enhanced oxidative and thermal stability, synthetic base stocks enable longer oil life, reducing the frequency of equipment downtime, product replacement, and oil disposal. Synthetics also offer potential for improved fuel economy and energy efficiency, which can add up to significant savings, especially across an entire fleet. Designed and manufactured to handle the increasing demands of modern heavy-duty equipment, synthetic base stocks can help meet new oil specifications. So, it's no mystery why owners and operators are switching, or why synthetic base stocks help formulators achieve increased levels of lubricant performance.